täyttää vuotta. Laulammeko me pienet paljon onnea alkuun? Joo. Okei. Kaikki tietää. Paljon onnea
vaan, paljon onnea vaan, paljon onnea animekoon, paljon onnea vaan.
Okei, tervetuloa taas kerran tänne Kuopioon, Savon sydämeen. Miten on mennyt jo nämä ensimmäiset 30 minuuttia?
Jep.
No ei se mitään, kyllä se siitä lähtee. Okei, meillä on tänään tulossa erittäin hienoa tavaraa, meillä on tulossa myöskin huomenna erittäin hienoa tavaraa. Ja todellakin nyt ollaan juhlavuotta vähän pitämässä ja silläpä ollaan saatu ihan tosissaan panostettua myöskin ohjelmat täyteen ja kaikennäköistä hyvää tavaraa kaikille teille ihanille konikävijöille ja kaikille teille. Meillä on myöskin kunnia vieraita täällä käymässä. DJ Sharpnel tykittelee kunnon musiikkia iltabileissä. Muutama saattoi tulla ihan juuri senkin takia vain. Oh my god, Dr. Insano. Okei. Ja meillä on Spoony.
Stage. I thought this was the country of like meta. It's okay though, I forgive you. Now this place is great. I especially love the food. You guys know how to eat. You've got the Viking food down. Especially the reindeer. You guys hate reindeer. In America, we love reindeer. We revere them. You know, Santa has the reindeer. He rides them around.
Santa lives in Finland.
Oh, reindeer. Okay, grill that thing right there. Oh yeah. Let's take the horns off and let's wear them. Yeah. Anyway.
But it's so delicious.
It does taste really good. But yeah, I'll be here and I'll be doing a panel like right after this, yeah? Yeah. We're gonna be talking about Final Fantasy because that's the first I've ever talked about Final Fantasy, right? Pretty much. Yeah, so it'll be interesting to hear finally what I think about that game. Yeah. So yeah, hope you're all looking forward to that. Yeah.
Okay. Actually, we had a surprise guest coming from France. Bensai decided to just come here again.
Hello everybody, I really hope you're doing good. I've heard that actually it's because since you guys had so much fun last year that you decided to invite me back over again. And I can confirm this again this year. Like, yes, Spoony will come and join me for the GameFAT panel tomorrow. And we'll make sure that Spoony squeals.
Bensai, what are you doing here?
Yeah, so it's probably going to be a ton of fun. There's also like an exclusive presentation I'm really excited to do about like a French Tokusatsu series. I don't know if you guys know about Tokusatsu, but basically Power Rangers is a Tokusatsu series, and there's a French-made Tokusatsu series with Rangers whose powers are inspired by French products, like you have red cheese, black wine, yellow baguette, etc. It's gonna be awesome. Blue accordion, and I have episodes. It's a great series. It's popular in Japan. And it's actually a legit Tokusatsu series. So we'll see that tomorrow.
Thank you. During the GameFAT panel, will the first few rows have to wear garbage bags in case they get wet? will there be spraying? Like, okay, that's an American thing. I don't know if you know who Gallagher is. No, he smashes fruit. Forget it. Yeah, I'm gonna go now.
Okay, you can go.
I love you too.
We all love you.
Okay. I will continue from here on and tell you something about our convention. Give a big hand to Spoonie and Benta. Those guys are great. Nyt kun voidaan puhua taas suomeen, niin mä kerron tässä semmosia hienoja juttuja, että me ensimmäisenä juttuna, kun Spoonie tuli Suomeen, niin me vietiin se niin kun mökille, riisuttiin kaikki miehet siinä vaatteet pois, katsottiin Spoonia vaativasti. Ja sitten Spoonie vähän saunaan ja sitten se pistettiin sen kesken lautalle 2 tyyppiä hakkaa vastaan.